Hello students of class 5, hope you are all doing well. So today we will be discussing the problem sums from the chapter vulgar fraction. So it is in the exercise number 13. All the problem sums are given in exercise number 13. So we will be discussing those sums. Okay, so let's start. We will be starting with sum number 1. What is given in sum number 1? It has been said one third of a number exceeds its 1/5 by 40. Right? Now, what is the number? It has not been said. So, at the end, we have been asked the number. Find the number. So, we will consider let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. Now, so one third of the number is one third of the number is how much? It will be 1 by 3 into x, that is x by 3. Similarly, you can say 1/5 of the number. So 1/5, you see 1/3. So 1 by third of mean what? Of mean multiplication, and the number is that which I have considered, that is x. So 1/5 of, just you have to decode. So 1/5 of the number is x by 5. So it has been said the number exceeds its one third of the number, that is 1/3. Exceeds mean always remember. So according to the problem right here, according to the problem, okay, one third of the number exceeds its 1/5, that is x by 5, by how much? By 40. So if I do calculation, the LCM will be 15 and this will be 5x minus 3x, right? So this will be nothing but 2x by 15 equals to 40. So my x will be 40 into 15 by 2. If I cancel them out, I will get the x as 100. So the required number is how much? Required number is 40. So 40 is my answer. Okay, this is my answer. Got it? I hope this is clear. Okay, now let's move on to the number 2, sum number 2. Okay, so in sum number 2, it has been said that the value of 3/5 of a property is 3/5 of a property is 9,000. The value find the value of 7 by 10 of it. Okay, now the total value of the property has not been said. Okay, so we will consider the total value of the property as x. So let the total value of the property be x. Okay, so 3/5 of the property is how much? 3/5 of the property. So for right, according, right, it is give. So according to the problem, three-fifths of the property is, the value is rupees 9,000. Okay, so 3/5 of mean into the total value of the property is x, so it's 9,000. So the value will be, total value will be this. So if I cancel this out, I will get rupees. Okay, so this will be in rupees, rupees 15,000, right? So this is the total value. Now we need to find the value of 7 by 10 of it. Okay, so the value of by 10 of the total property will be how much? 7 by 10 into 0 and 0 will cancel out, so this is 105 0 0. Okay, so yes, so this is the answer. So you can write the answer as that. This is the answer actually. So the value of 7 by 10th part of the property is rupees 10500. Okay, I hope you understand. So this much for this video. We will continue from the next video. Thank you.